guys, like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell if you guys are new. So I just want to do this quickly because I have lots of slimes, and if you did not read on the title, it's rating my slime. And I have like lots of slimes right here. So yeah, some are even my sisters. So like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, even if you're new. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys did it, comment down below done. And comment down below something really nice. And then I will give you a shout out. So yeah. So even if you're new, we do it just random stuff. So yeah, I shouldn't be in my stomach already. Okay, so I'm doing this purple slime first. There it is. It's actually pretty stretchy if you go slow. I like it. It isn't sticky. I'm reading the coloring and what I added. Just if you go fast, it just break. Okay. Let's hear the poke. Something that I gotta say. If you, let's show you. It has some glitter. It looks purplish, but it isn't. It's actually clear. And it would, at first it was the stock purple. It's kind of light on the camera, but it's actually a really dark purple. And it's this. So, I love how stretchy it is. And I love the poke. But the only thing is that the coloring, how it lies, and how you just need to stop. So I would give that a 5.5. Then I'm gonna do this unicorn one that my friend gave me. Good. Let's start with the poke. Okay, it doesn't really have a poke, but I love the coloring and how the glitters are. You can barely see the glitter, how the lighting is. Doesn't stick to my, hang on. There it is. It's just rolling out. There. I love the coloring and the glitter. You can see the glitter. But the thing is, it isn't stretchy. There's some hard pieces. And, you know, stuff can't mix into it well. It just falls out. So, it stretchy doesn't have a poke, so I'll just give it a 1. Wait, a 2.5. Actually, just a 2. Boomer. Oh, put that right there. Haven't seen. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this pink. That has glitter in it. And I'm gonna show you this huge sign at the end. So it's actually the same brand that have the purple, but this is way stretchier. Let's see this roll. I can do a really nice roll. And let's see the poke. I think just how much stuff is in it. That's why I don't really have a poke. At first it had a good poke. So I will give it, it isn't that far that it doesn't have a poke, so I'll give it a 10. First one that have a 10. And it isn't clear. Next one. Look at this. Okay, that's just straight up dark. This is actually was a clear slime, but you can't tell that it's clear anymore. But let me say something. If you had this much, it would just get all over your hands. That's little. But they don't know how I did. So poke. It does have a good poke, and it's a very stretchy. It's actually stretchier than the pink. And I didn't play with this one. I actually played with the pink yesterday. So let's just see how the swirl is. That's it right there. That is in one. There. It doesn't have a good poke. Yeah. Right now, I'm gonna do my sister's slime. Okay. So, guys, there it is. It's stretchy. I added the white foam balls. It's actually way stretchier than the rainbow. Gotta say, but it is actually kind of sticky. Poke. There isn't a poke. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a swirl. Hopefully the foam balls don't ruin it. My next slime video, I'm gonna try to actually make like a cool spot out of it, so no glare would be. Okay, you can't really tell because I'm a foam beads and it's just kind of wrecked because. But that was. Okay, let's see just how it moves. Okay, that moves really good. That's just a good question, kind of. So, I will give this another 10. Forget about this pink, I'd give this pink a 7.5. This other pink. The pink that I was talking about, okay. This one, gonna go slow. But it breaks right at this far. So yeah, point. And it barely have a poke. I will give this a 5. A 4.4. That's it. I'm done with the slimes being bad. I'm doing this slime. This is putty. It isn't actually slime. So yesterday I added some white pigment and some rainbow foam balls. So yeah. Oh my, it got really sticky. When did it ever get this sticky? Is putty supposed to be this sticky? I don't think so. Wow. But like, you know, it's still stretchy. To have a poke. I'm gonna get on my knees. I don't like sitting anymore. I made some of them in my mouth, but here's the real one. Okay, so this is putty, so I won't even rate it because it's putty. Play-Doh putty floss fruity. I don't know what that is. Okay, now I'm gonna do this gold sign. I think I would like it. I think I would like this slime at least bigger. And the stickier. And with a poke. This kid is 0.0. It isn't a slime. So tiny, and it's supposed to smell. Oh, it actually kind of does smell. I wish that you could smell it. Wait, no, it smells like laundry detergent. I don't think, okay, I'm gonna actually do the scented one next. They smell like chocolate. And stretchy. Poke. Doesn't really have a poke. Yeet. But it's super nice. There you just do it in my mouth. Okay. And like that. There it goes. Okay. And I have one more slime. Okay, it's a nice. Nope, it isn't a nice slime. Poke. Doesn't even have a poke. Oh, okay. This can at least have a better poke. This slime. I like this. It's stretchy. Doesn't have a poke. 9.5. Stretchy. I just don't like the texture. It feels soft, but it's hard. Stretchy. Like, I don't really like this though. Poke. Doesn't even have a poke. Wow. Yeet. This slime. That's fun. This big slime. I got it from Christmas. Non-stretchy. Kind of is. Oh, we actually have a good poke though. Yes, red cherry blossom. Does it smell? No. It's no, it isn't stretchy. Get a big mess. Doesn't even really have a poke. I give it a 1, even though the color is nice. I'm trying to speed this up because it's kind of getting a mess. Okay. Ready to come down? Okay. It's stretchy. But I actually really like this slime. If the light wasn't there, then it wouldn't be glossy. Now I named this Princess Gloss because it's really nice. Now I'm gonna do this yellow slime that went with this purple slime. See if it actually went into it. Ooh, there's a bubble. There's actually a bubble. Okay, so this is stretchy. Make a good spool. Poke. Right. But this actually stayed on top and it looks like a lemon. Stretchy. Not really. Poke. Horrible. 2. Even really like how much glitter is in there. This bag slime that I put water in yesterday. this. And then got the whole thing. And this case actually broke. That's a glitter, no stretch. Get rid of it. This one I can actually eat. Nice. I want you to look. Stretchy. But does it go past my screen? Yes, it does. Poke. No poke. 1.1. 1.5 million. Gold. This was actually a clear, and me and my friend made it a gold. That in glitter. Not really a poke, but I mean, not really a stretch because of how much glitter we had. But it's not all for it. Like, slime I love, and I don't even stretch it really. I just poke it. So there. You can get more stretchy. We just have a really thin piece. There. I actually got past the camera. Poke. Okay, good poke. I would give this a 10 out of 10. Okay, now I'm gonna do this green. Ooh, oh my, this actually is way past the screen. It's so nice. Even though I really don't even play with this, it's really nice. Stretchy poke. It's actually a pretty good poke. So, 10 out of 10, boom. So one more time after this, I have this. This was actually a light blue. Kind of lost its color, but then we added that's the thing that it kind of turned into a dark blue. But it actually looked really light on camera, but they put it together. It's actually this dark there, and then just like that. That's unbelievable. Okay. Then I'll show you the big slime. So here it is. It's actually really stretchy. You know, it's actually this big of a slime. Let me make a bubble. I mean, not really a poke because of how tiny it is, but I bet if you had like a bigger slime of this, it would actually get more. Okay, now time for the big slime. And this is a jiggly slime. Are you coming out? So, oh, it's actually cold. And it doesn't stick to clothes. Is it anywhere on my outfit? Nope. But after you do that, it doesn't make sense. It's even waterproof. The bottle literally doesn't do anything to it. But it is actually pretty heavy. Psych. No, it doesn't. I mean, psych. Now I just got overboard. Thinking, like, I don't, I'm losing my mind here. I don't know. I think I'm just out of okay. Does it look like it's watery? No. Okay. And pick it up with a different slime. If you have any more. I don't pick up. Grab a different slime. Pick up the water. Even though there isn't any water. I just do it. So. I want to tell you one story. When I was little, I felt like those evil pigs. So yeah, bye.